Hi everyone, welcome to the DIY section of electronicsforyou.com.
Today, we are going to make a smart indoor weather and environment monitoring device. This device helps us in monitoring the weather condition like humidity, temperature, pressure change inside the room. We can use such device in monitoring the indoor environment like environment of laboratory or our home, and we can monitor the weather condition and predict the climate change as well. Now let's see what we can learn from this project. We will learn about different I2 CWIS sensor, what are the different communication peripherals available in Arduino, how we can make a weather monitoring system. So let's have a look on the main component of this project. We need an Arduino STTS7, HTS221 sensor, LPS22HH sensor, OLED display and some wires. So let's try it out. Hope you like the video we talked about. To make this project, check the link in description below.
We are now producing videos of all projects we are publishing in Electronics For You magazine and on this website electronicsforyou.com, so that not only do you get to see their proof of concept, but through the video we aim to make it easier to understand the circuit. For more interesting DIY projects, keep visiting electronicsforyou.com. Thank you.